The 2018 Audi A7 remains one of the most evocative ways to carry 4 passengers in comfort. Not only is it one of the most attractive new cars available today, its hatchback configuration delivers stellar utility and its balanced chassis makes it a hoot to drive. The A7 is based on the work of the A6, but its heftier price tag brings with it added cargo hauling ability and a svelte roofline that will have you doing a double take. It's also offered with more performance as the S7 and the supercar rivaling RS7, which we cover separately. N. For 2018, the A7's 3.0-liter supercharged V6 adds 7 horsepower, bringing the total to 340 horsepower, and there's a new competition package on the options list that includes a firmer suspension and some styling bits that neither add to nor detract from this hatchback styling. The A7 remains available in Premium Plus and Prestige trim levels in addition to the new range-topping competition model. All A7s are all-wheel drive and they're fitted exclusively with an 8-speed automatic. Given their size and heft, they're remarkably agile and rapid. Inside, the A7 remains identical to the A6, at least in the front passenger compartment. Rear seat riders have a little less headroom than in the 4-door, but that's a fair trade-off for a cargo area that can swallow larger items even with its sloping roofline. All models have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration, as well as an inductive charging pad and Audi's MMI infotainment system that's slick and intuitive, especially with extra-cost Google Earth data streamed directly into the cabin. A Bang & Amp. Olufsen audio setup should please even the most discerning passengers.